Hello guys, welcome to the reverence channel. So today we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy. Okay, so this strategy is going to make you some money, and I'm going to show you guys everything you know about the strategy, including the settings and how the strategy works. Okay, so stay tuned, make sure you watch this video to the end, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime you post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Okay, so with that being said, let me show you guys the settings of the strategy. Okay, so when you click on this icon right here, it's going to direct you to where you're going to add all the indicator up. So the first indicator is the moving average. So we click on this F icon at the top. We search for moving average and click on it. Now this is the properties. The period is 10, shift is -7. Method is simple, apply to close, and the style using color of your choice, and click on save. Go back, and for the next moving average, do the same thing. Click on this F icon. Now period is 15, shift is 3, method is simple, apply to close, use the style of your choice, click on save. Now for the next indicator, which is stochastic oscillator, we click on this F icon again. So for the stochastic oscillator, set the parameters as default. What we need is the levels. So set everything up like this and go back, then click on save. So as you add the RSI up, it's going to, as you add the stochastic oscillator up, it's going to be on your indicator window 1. So sorry for my voice today, guys. So moving on to the next indicator, which is the Ichimoku. Now click on this effect right here, search for Ichimoku and click on it, and this is the parameters. Set everything up like this. You only need the this color and the down Kumu color. Okay, so that is the color we're going to be using. Click on save, and that is all you need for this strategy. Okay, so how does this strategy works now? When using this strategy, it's not every time this strategy is going to give you a chase. Okay, but what you just need to see is that whenever you are taking a trade with this strategy, you want to make sure that you pay attention. Now you can see clearly right here that we have our first trade right at this spot, and what is the confirmation that we see? We see that the Ichimoku lines, okay, come to the 90 or the 80 levels. So when it's come there, then we want to see it break below each other, which happens right here. Okay, so when they break below each other before the Ichimoku bounce back inside the stochastic oscillator, you already see it cross over each other. So when we see the crossover, we look into a mini chart and we want to see that the red moving average cross below the blue moving average, and when the crossover happens, we want to see the price also cross below the blue line. Okay, so this is what I'm talking right here. So you can see it clearly that we have the crosses that happen right here and the candle closing inside the moving average. So once we see that, we enter our trade. Now immediately you see that the price has moved out from this indicator set line, then you have to close your positions. Okay, have to close your position. Now you can see we have another trade right here. Same thing over and over again. We will just wait for the Ichimoku to come straight to the 90 or the 80 levels of the stochastic oscillator. We wait for the crossover, and then we wait for the main chart to give us a signal. We want to see the crossover to happen with the moving average. You want to see a candle close below the moving average as well. So that is how we enter our trades, and you was able to catch all these candles right here. So don't forget that when you see that the candle close back outside the moving average line, you close your positions. Okay, so very simple and very straightforward strategy. Okay, so let me go to crash so you guys one example on crash. So same thing applicable, just have to follow the step of the strategy. Okay, so just wait for the Ichimoku to come to the 20 or 10 levels, then wait for the cross to happen and the candle close inside the blue line, and you get your stop loss, and you target this area right here. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime I post new strategy. You guys should be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.